Fang's vision for Hafary House was to create an immersive and experiential showroom that showcases Hafary's extensive product range. We drew inspiration from a visit to the Cesaio Tile exhibition in Bologna, where we saw how Italian brands seamlessly blend material, displays with immersive showcases. This motivated us to design a space that showcases the materials in a manner that's inspiring and relevant to the context of the location. The industrial character of Jalan Besar also influenced our approach. We wanted to bring the focus on materiality and industrial experimentation into the space, resonating with the district's raw energy. The conserved shophouses presented challenges with the space and circulation. To optimize the space, we opened a series of long corridors to improve flow and to create a sense of wonder. We also adopted an open ceiling design with a unifying woven ceiling made from industrial straps used in stone transport. Some of the highlights of Hafary House are the seasonal thematic displays which showcase various interior design styles, from Art Deco to Japan Nordic and more. We have also incorporated digital panels that pair tile and stone visuals with the thematic spaces. There's even an interactive mosaic pool where customers can see how their selected tiles look underwater. We aim to create a hybridized environment that's part retail, part gallery, part library, and part workshop. The space encourages physical engagement with products, where visitors can appreciate materials, learn how to use them, and discover their limitless possibilities. At Hafary House, innovation is at the forefront and is rooted in a deep understanding of materiality, functionality, and buildability. It aims to be a space where imagination, texture, and raw energy come together to redefine design with purpose and curiosity.